Hi, this is the LENOVO Tab Extreme and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition here and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, the face unlock option works here fast and correct, and we just successfully unlock the device in half of the second. This is the good result for the face unlock, so you could try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.